Hi guys, welcome to Kids Gallery. So today we are going to make a sword. So materials needed are a scale, glue and duct tape and some papers. Um, one, two, okay, 7 waste papers required. They are waste papers, so we don't want waste papers. So use waste and old papers. For my video purpose, I am using new papers. Not old. Okay. First, we take a paper. Okay. We take a paper and a scale and fold it. As per the scale size, we fold it. And again we fold it and keep folding it. And now at last we fold it. So now we fold. I have done folding it. Now we take our glue bottle and apply some glue. So this is the blade, and it will be a triangle shaped. Okay, you can fold it or cut it. I am folding it. Okay, this is it. Now inside it has to be stiff, not like this. When we fold it, it will bend down. So for like that, we take one more waste paper. Okay. So now we take a paper and a sketch pen or a candle or a pen, and we fold it. Fold it from the corner. It should be right inside. Now let's start it right here. So now I fixed the paper and the sword. Yeah, it looks like this. So the extra part, let's not cut it. Let's keep it. So the next step is you take a paper and mark 7.5 centimeters in your book. This is marked 7.5 centimeters. First you take a book. 7.5 centimeters. Okay. First, you mark a point or draw a line till that line. Okay. Now we cut it. So now I cut the 7.5 centimeter paper, and again we take a scale and fold it. One. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we glue it. Oh, my glue is not coming. Now I take a safety pin and make a hole. Yeah. Now we fold it. That comes like this, and now we install it to the left hand paper, and we leave some gap, and we apply glue to the paper. Okay. Now, oh, see. Yeah. Now let it dry. Now we take a scissor. We attach it. It looks like this. Okay, you can paint it, or you can do the same steps with the color paper, or yeah, you can do the same steps with the color paper. So thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon for more notifications.